Okay, annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm looking for Jandi, Romilin, and also Jinab. So they are in school, no? Okay, so Tumyong na lang ang students, si Janice and Kim Jane. So first, Janice, you have 3,000 pesos. Hindi ha? Please kukuha hindi, 3,000 pesos. Okay. And Kim Jane, also, you have 3,000 pesos. Please kukuha hindi. Okay. And since Jinab and Jandi and also Romilin are in the school, so first Jandi, she have 4,000 pesos, and please check 4,000. Okay. She have 2,000 pesos for savings. And second, Jinab, she have 4,000 pesos. Okay, and her savings 4,000 pesos also. Okay, and lastly, this is for Romilin, 3,000 pesos. Okay, you will take a video na lang sure after. Okay, and that is all from Amagetonim.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye. Please coach her ha.
안녕하세요, Jandi.
안녕하세요.
Since you are holiday in school, Kuya Rex, in the morning, he came here just to give you 4,000 pesos for your allowance and also 2,000 pesos for your savings in Cebuana. Okay, count first. How much?
6,000.
And that was given by?
안녕하세요.
Okay, very good.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Study hard, Jandi. How is your mother?
Okay
Tell
lang.
me, Mom.
Okay lang.
No more fighting with your father? No more? Okay, good. Okay, bye-bye, Jandi. 안녕하세요, Romilin.
안녕하세요.
Okay, you just came from school? Karon ba ka nabot?
Yes.
Okay, earlier, Kuya Rex came here just to give you 3,000 pesos for your allowance. And this is given by Amagetonim.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, be good in school, ha?
Yes.
Study hard. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Sinab.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. Earlier, Kuya Rex came us here to give you a surprise. You know what's your surprise? No? Okay, Amagetonim gives you 4,000 pesos for your allowance and also 4,000 pesos for your savings. Okay?
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. You deposit her ha in your Cebuana. Okay? Okay. Be good in school ha. Okay, fighting. Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Johanna.
안녕하세요.
So, Wiparamnim gives you solar lights for your area, your location. Kay it's so dark man when it burn out. Okay, ha? You have 2 solar lights for you. Wiparamnim.
위파님 감사합니다.
And your appa will be the one who installed the solar lights. So your appa is working now, no? So if he have time, install that solar panel, solar lights. Okay. And Song Han Yung Nim gives him 1,000 pesos for your appa.
성한용님 감사합니다.
Okay. And don't forget to take a video, ha? Ang nag-install siya dayon ihatag ang iyang suhol. Kira. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nga sa'yo, Ana. You just arrived from school. Ayan, manakagkaon nila. Okay. You will take your lunch after or later. Okay. So I'm here to deliver your 3,000 pesos for you. Okay. Isa nagatag. Amagetonim. Nyaman. Gimingaw ka? You miss Amagetonim? Okay. Amagetonim.
Amagetonim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Bye-bye. Take your lunch ha. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요. Hyacinth ma'am.
Yes, 안녕하세요.
So Hyacinth will be arrive 1 PM pa no?
Yes, sir.
So I will deliver na lang the donation for her 3,000 pesos for Hyacinth. Okay. So ano nimo paggamit gani?
I use this for school uniform and school assistance.
For Hyacinth.
For Yasan.
Okay. So you will take a video when she arrived na lang. Okay. And that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.